Hey, it's Pipiads. If you want to know which products are trending on TikTok. In this video, I have the most viral products on TikTok for your consideration. Let's take a look. Today, our first winning product is the Height Increase Gel Sleeves. Most closed shoe styles can be fitted with them, as they are supportive and flexible, made with a soft and elastic thermoplastic elastomer. Socks lift, cushion the heel and fit snugly without moving or slipping. Breathable and smooth, both of which are easy to clean with warm water and soap. The suggested selling price is $24.95, with the product costing on AliExpress being $6.99, which will leave you with a great profit. Our next winning product is Non-Slip Quick Drying Shower Slides, made with skin-friendly, durable Ava material, super lightweight, and breathable. Designed with an anti-slip textured style, the cloud slides prevent the foot from slipping and falling as well as coming out. The suggested selling price is €29.9, with the product costing on AliExpress being $2.99, which will leave you with a great profit. That's all we have to share about today's best winning products. Thanks for watching.